In this video I'll show you how you can make a simple poll on your Discord server. You can do this with a bot. So first go to Google. Search for simple poll. Go to top.gg. Click on invite. And it will then redirect you to Discord, and you can then invite this poll to your server. Click continue and authorize the bot. Okay, so now we've got the bot added. Go back to Discord. Now you need to type /poll and then you can write out your question. In quotation marks. Then click space. And you just write the answers in quotation marks as well. Click enter and the bot is going to make a poll.